Little cute thing. This middle of the night thing is a little bit rough. He slept for about 2.5 hours and then was up for about 2 hours and then slept for 30 minutes, and so far he's up again. Tried feeding him, tried stimulating him to go potties. He likes to suck on my finger and cuddle in my hand. Oh, Patches. But every time I try to feed him, he doesn't want it anymore. He just wants to suck on my finger. Let's see if I can get him to do it. He always just tries to crawl into my hand. What? What? Little wobbly one. Come back. Yeah.